Hey guys, I'm Andrew with Foley Caterpillar, and today I'm happy to introduce you to a whole new series where we'll take you to a behind-the-scenes look of the heavy equipment industry. Welcome to On Site. In this series, we'll be covering topics like machine features, maintenance, and applications, and give you a behind-the-scenes look of all things that make our industry move forward. On today's first episode, we're going to take a look at what sets our new Cat skid steers and compact track loaders apart from all the rest. Our multi-view camera. Let's dive in. The multi-view camera on the Cat next-gen skid steers provides unparalleled visibility around the machine. This advanced system offers a full 270-degree view, significantly enhancing safety and efficiency on busy job sites. The cameras allow operators to monitor their surroundings through an 8-inch advanced touchscreen monitor, supporting multiple views to see blind spots and navigate tight spaces with confidence. This comprehensive view improves safety by helping operators avoid obstacles, reduce the risk of accidents, and ensure a safe work environment for everyone on site. If you have any questions or you want to come see it in action, come join us at Foley Inc. Thanks for watching and follow us on all of our socials. See you next time on site.